ass up. We gotta turn the heat down because it's all in my. What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and I'm looking up because I'm still not used to my camera, of course, but I'm back with my mama. And today, on today's vlog, I'm gonna be good, everybody. Today I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good. And today, y'all, we cooking for y'all. Today my brother's birthday, y'all. Here's St. Patty baby. He a leprechaun with the ears and everything. He's a leprechaun. Yes, he is. Oh, she real rude. She rude. She just interrupted my. You rude. Oh, I'm rude. She rude. Y'all think I should make a YouTube with my mama? Like, we make a YouTube page together? What? Like, she crazy. I ain't gonna lie though. Like, this natural light. Oh, making your girl. What? Beautiful baby, y'all. Y'all see my scar? So my ponytail, y'all, fell off at work. Still fell off at work. I gotta get my hair done. I think I'm gonna get it done Tuesday. And I'm gonna just keep this ball like this. Just get my hair done Tuesday after I take care of some important stuff. But yes, y'all, so we cooking for y'all. My mama barbecue and we cooking, so this is gonna be a chill day. So y'all chilling with us today. So welcome in. Welcome in. Besides me babysitting and cooking, so yeah. But I don't mind. Cause I love me babies. Okay, you little leprechaun. Okay, you little leprechaun. Alright, what's up, y'all? So we in Walmart. I did say we in Walmart. I did say we was y'all was spending that day with us. So my mama left me. Yeah, my mama. She just made me go get a whole nother bucket. My aunt, you need greens. You need greens. I told you to get them off if they got no. I wasn't gonna pay $3 for on one bag. How you been cheap? Yes, fine. I got a lot of mouths to feed. But they ain't even got the greens you need. Look like we ain't having greens today. Oh yeah, we gonna have greens. I go to fair foods for less than me. Another stuff. Yes, I'm running around for greens. I am. Another stuff. Mom, let's do a prank in here. No, not today. Let's do a prank. Nope, not today. Mom, nope, you're gonna send me off. They don't even have cheese noodles in them all. But did you pass the No? I passed what? I thought you passed the jambalaya. No, it's next. Ayo. Uh-oh, look. Uh-oh. Don't, come on, don't get it. Y'all, I don't know why my camera's zooming in, and I need milk for my baby. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that. Like it's getting blurry. That means what? Ooh, I don't know. Let me see what I can do now. Cheesy liar. I'll just get one box. One box to get another one. Why? One box ain't gonna feed us. Who all eat jambalaya? Okay, I'll get a little box. You should have got with cheese. No. Okay. No, people can't tolerate cheese. No ma'am. No ma'am. Ah, you funny. You funny. I like my lens flip back. Really? Yeah. So that means you like your camera? I love my camera. What do you mean? Out of here. Get it out of here. Right, you gotta let me put this in there. Get it out of here. In your face. Okay. My last time. Okay, I can make it. Mike, come on, let me put it in there. You know what? I'm gonna do something better. You didn't open up these napkins. Yeah. Girl, I was gonna smack it out the park. You're funny. You're funny.
I'll be some chips.
Buy you some chips, y'all. Madison just FaceTimed me.
What kind of chips you want, Madison?
Something that come out of her.
Madison. I know, Madison. That comes from your dollar. What type of chips you want? That come from out of your allowance.
I want the little ones.
What little ones?
Like up there. Where's the cart at?
Okay, FaceTime me in about 3 minutes.
Okay.
All right, bye. Alright, y'all, so we back in the car. My camera is like really going low, like it's really about to die. But this weather is so bipolar because I swear to y'all, it was just snowing. And now look at the sun. It's so beautiful. Like, you would have been like, what is snow at? I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Ouch, I just poked myself in the eye. I'm gonna get back to y'all later. So y'all, my camera died, but like I had made some macaroni. I really wanted y'all to see, y'all, like show y'all how I made my macaroni. I made some macaroni, but Mason said hi to. But yeah, y'all, so my camera died. We already at the house. We started cooking. My mom make her greens. Y'all look at them greens. Ooh, them greens look spicy. Ooh. But yeah, so my camera died. And we started cooking, and I told y'all it's gonna be a day with us, a day of phones. And y'all see my mama acting real crazy in the stove, like, which is not like her. I don't think she took her medicine. Ain't that right, Mom? Ain't that right, Mom? Ooh, yeah. Say hi, kids. Look at this. Y'all see these ribs? They looking scrumptious. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. Hold on. Y'all see these good ribs? They look real good, baby. Especially this one. Ma, you making jerk ribs or no? I had kids. Oh, that ain't this hard. Y'all see me trying to flip this crap over? Alright. Look at this. Look at this. This looks fine. Bro, my mama done burnt the ribs. My mama done burnt the ribs, bro. You better scrape that burntness off.
Here, put this in there.
Alright, hold on. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog because I'm about to get my grub on. Like, all the food is done and I'm about to go in, like, but you know what, y'all don't even get to see everything, but that's because we was cooking. I'm at my sister's room. Her room pretty. Y'all look at her room. Let's just take a minute to like look at this room. Look how beautiful her room is. Her room is so cute. But yes, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog, and yeah, we about to be out like that. But make sure y'all stay tuned because I got some good pranks coming y'all way. Y'all don't want to miss it. Tell your friends, tell everybody. Subscribe, share, hit that post notification buttons. Yes, y'all, comment below. Show your girls some love because you never know when we doing a giveaway. So thank y'all, and I'm out.